Alright guys, hey, it's me. So the last 4 videos were separated into different steps doing that equation. Now I'm going to do one overall equation. So that you guys can see really just doing the steps without separating them, because I know for me sometimes it's easier just to see it all laid out and to just follow along. So I guess we'll start by getting a brush, and I will go ahead. I'm going to do a fun color. We'll go with purple. So real quick, I'm going to grab my pen that draws on computers. It's a special material that they put on the top that you use for materials, and then we can go ahead and hi guys, so I'm back with my pen that I can use for computers. Sorry. I'll go ahead and get rid of that. Okay. Give me a sec, guys. I just gotta try to get rid of all this that I just did. Alright. So I decided to try and make up my own equation. So we'll see how this goes and whether I can help you out here or not. Alright. Let's start with this. So we'll have 2 equations here. One is x plus 4 equals y times 3. And the other is that x equals 6. Now let's start with isolating one of the variables. Now, I wanted to do this so that you guys can notice that sometimes you don't have to isolate the variable. Sometimes the variable is already isolated for you. Now that's always nice. Trust me. It means less steps, which is great. So now that we have x equals 6, we just put that in and substitute it. The more substitution process is step 1 when you're isolating. It's easy to isolate once you have done that. So isolating in the third step and isolating in the first step is more when you use substitution, but this is also substitution. So we've got 6 plus 4 equals y times 3. Now 6 plus 4 also equals 10. So we've got 10 equals y times 3. So that's solving for one side, and then we're going to go ahead and solve for the other by dividing both sides by 3. Now, I think I made a mistake here, because like I said, I was going to try to make my own problem. Well, it didn't work. So, because dividing 10 by 3 would be very annoying. So, But, sometimes problems are annoying, and in that case, I say use calculator. Look, read the assignment, see if you're allowed to. But 10 over 3 equals y. And then we go over here, and we say, okay, so y equaled 10 over 3, and x equaled, my pen is not working, x equaled, 6. So 10 over 3 and 6. Now real quick, I'm going to do a new one. And we'll try to make this one cancel. Sorry. File, new, don't save. Okay, I'm going to try to make this one more accurate. So we're going to do x equals y plus 3, and then x plus 6 up here equals y times 2. Now this problem will be pretty easy to do, I feel. So instead of having, we're going to go ahead and substitute x for this right here. Okay, so we've got y plus 3. Y plus 3 equals 6. 6 equals y times 2. Actually, we're going to write y times 2 as y2, like that. So, first of all, I'm going to simplify all these terms. Combine like terms, as they call it. And then we will go ahead and subtract y from both sides. So y minus y, 0. So we got 9 equals y. Okay, so before, every time I'm clearing the screen, I'm going to be doing one step. So 9 equals y. We have now isolated the variable. And the reason 9 equals y is because y2 minus y equals y. So we are now going to be making a new one again. So we were left with y equals 3. Am I correct on that? Y equals 9. Sorry, guys. Briefly forgot there. You can tell I'm so good at remembering things. Sorry, I've forgotten things twice now. But the other equation was x equals y plus, was it 3 or 6? Shoot, guys, I don't remember. I believe it was 6. It might have been not 6. Nope, it was 3. X equals y plus 3. If I'm doing something wrong, try not to cringe. Okay? Not too much. Alright, so this right here is going to be brain dead for a second there. Sorry. 9 plus 3 x equals 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 equals, okay, Be careful when you do this, because sometimes if you just do another equal sign, it doesn't work out. But 9 plus 3 equals 12. So we have 12. And x equals 12. So we have y equals 9 and x equals 12. And that is how you state your solution. And that, this up here, step 4. This down here, this was this right here. Trying if my thing will work. Sorry. This down here was step 3. This right here, where we made the y into a 9, that was step 2. And step 1 was isolating and finding the way to isolate that variable. So these are the steps, and I'm sorry that wasn't very clear and that my pen was being very naughty and messy. But there you go. That is how you solve and do sub. Let's see if my pen will work. And if my spelling and brain will work. Nope, they won't. But, substitution. I'm sure you guys are cringing by now. But yeah, substitution. It's great. Shoot, it's great. Alright, well, smiley face. I can do that. Alright. And that is my project. Bye, guys.